In a sunlit coastal workshop, a textile designer turns a village atelier into a global fashion footprint and inspires nearby makers. Facing scarcity, she builds cooperative links with artisans, secures fair contracts, and proves creativity can steer sustainable growth even when funds are tight. Her company navigates markets by listening first, shifts routes when weather or politics threaten deliveries through digital networks. Investors listen after a crisis reveals the team's resilience, transparency, and a plan for local jobs across regional markets. From modest stalls to boardroom decisions, the story celebrates women who convert craft into sustainable power.